to feel that he needs to feel like he is being praised all the time. He needs to feel you close to him. Very, very tender-hearted. Yes.
What's his name?
Rowan. I love like having I'm assuming their name will be on them. Yeah, I would love his name,
Okay, and then lastly, what's the
And then my daughter, her name is Collins. She just came into the world like as a fighter. She was born early and had to go to NICU. She lights up any room that she is in. People just love her. She is just almost like, I don't know, the best friend that I never had. I don't know.
I love it. I think that's perfect.
Okay.
I can definitely run with that.
Yes.
Oh, I bet you did. I think they'll be really.
Thank you so much. I'll read these in a minute because I could hardly even talk to you without crying.
Well, it was great. You gave me a great description.